Hi, this is Bill for Sparky channel, and today I'd like to introduce you to the new DeWalt ToughSystem 2.0 tower. There are several upgrades on this 2.0 system, but the one that stands out the most to me is the upgrade from 7-inch plastic wheels found on the original 1.0 version to 8-inch wider rubber wheels. Since workers sometimes have to walk a long distance to their job site, this is a great improvement. The second most important improvement, in my opinion, is the patented Auto Connect side latches. They open with a one-touch release, and they now snap together automatically. This is a time saver when stacking or unstacking the toolboxes. Another important improvement is that the handle has been beefed up and is stronger than the previous version. The handle is also removable this time by releasing these latches. The lids have rubber gaskets and the boxes are rated IP65. All the 2.0 boxes have these yellow items that, when they pop up, become dividers for the half-sized DeWalt boxes. And all the boxes have built-in handles. Now, let's look at the individual boxes. The rolling toolbox is 16.6 inches high, 19.9 inches wide, and 19.6 inches deep. It has a 250-pound carrying capacity, and it weighs 23.54 pounds. It costs about $99. It has a specially designed slope area for starting the tower moving. This 2.0 version has 20% more interior space than the older version, and it comes with this kind of tray. All the 2.0 boxes come with strong and durable stainless steel hinges and heavy-duty latches. Press this yellow lever to raise and lower the handle. The 2.0 boxes have a metal reinforced hole for locks. The second toolbox is called the large toolbox, and it is 12.3 inches high, 14.6 inches wide, and 21.2 inches deep. Its carrying capacity is 110 pounds, and it weighs 10.7 pounds. It runs about $65. It has a tray that is much like the first box. The top box is called the 2.0 Toolbox. It's 7 inches high, 14.6 inches wide by 21.3 inches deep. Carrying capacity, once again, is 110 pounds. It weighs 6.6 pounds. It comes with two removable inserts that have removable dividers. The 2.0 boxes are backwards compatible. For instance, I have my version 1.0 parts container latched on top of the 2.0 stack. In conclusion, I really like DeWalt ToughSystem 2.0. I think they've made a lot of excellent improvements, including what I feel is the number one improvement. That is the bigger and better wheels. I'll put links in my video description for the DeWalt 2.0 ToughSystem rolling toolbox, the 2.0 large toolbox, and the 2.0 small toolbox. And I'll put links for other new tools from DeWalt, such as the DeWalt cable stapler and the DeWalt roofing nailer. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.